Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today I have a collective haul. Like, this is stuff I've been collecting over months, but I wanted to share with you. I got stuff from Zara and H&M. Through and talk about all the pieces that I picked up. I'm gonna do a try on. Some are complete fails. Some I've had in my wardrobe for a while, so they won't be a surprise to you, but I still wanted to feature them if they're still available, so on and so forth. But this is all the stuff I've been picking up for spring, summer. So lots of bright colors, lots of fun trends, all that kind of stuff. So I kind of wanted to dive in and share with you what I got and also get your feedback. I think these videos help me so much because if I'm on the fence about something, you guys are really good at giving your honest opinion. So as always, let me know in the comments down below, especially if I say I'm on the fence about something. If I say I love something, you can still tell me you don't like it. I get it. Just be nice, okay? So let's dive in. Let's start with shorts. I'm gonna go in like outfit kind of things that I paired it with if I paired an outfit, so it's kind of easy to follow down below. So let me know if that works. But I have been doing a couple Pinterest try-ons. If you guys follow my, or not Pinterest try-ons, a couple of Pinterest, recreating Pinterest outfits in real life. I'll throw up the playlist in the cards, but I have been realizing that all my shorts are pretty like tight to my thighs. So I went over to Zara because one of my actual favorite pairs of denim from last year was from Zara, and that's a surprise to me because typically me and Zara aren't friends, okay? I don't like their sizing. I feel like the store overwhelms the crap out of me, and I just feel like some of their pieces are just too trendy for me, and I'm more of a classic dresser. But I found some really good pieces, so I'm excited to share with you. So the first being these little mom high-rise comfort shorts. I got them in a size 6. I'm typically a 26, and these fit like larger on me, like a comfort sort of fit, but Zara's sizing is literally all over the place. So I got these in a 20 or 38, which is a size 6, which like I said, I'm normally a 26 or like a 2-4 situation. I could have sized down in these, but I don't think I want to. I really like these. I actually don't have a white denim pair of shorts. I have like white linen shorts and like trouser shorts and all that, but I do not have a pair of denim white linen or denim white shorts. I liked the length of these because I felt like I could cuff them a little at the bottom, and yeah, I don't know, what do you guys think about these? I feel like they're a comfort fit. They're a more relaxed, loose fit, which I need to get used to seeing myself in them because I feel like I'm just not used to it. I'm used to not like a skin tight hugging bottom, but typically a little bit more form-fitting. My shirts I like loose, but my bottoms I typically like to fit a little bit more snug, and I think that's just because of the balance situation, since I already have so many oversized tops that I don't need an oversized top and an oversized bottom. But let me know. I think they're a win, but I'm kind of still on the fence. I paired that with this shirt though, that is totally a win. I love this. This is that little blue button up. This is kind of like a linen-y sort of material. It's very light, very breathable, but it has this like raised floral detail on it that's gorgeous. When I saw this, I needed this. I got this in a small, so definitely keeping this. You guys know I love button-ups, and this one's a little bit different, a little more fancy. I felt like you could dress it up. It would pair really nicely with those white shorts that I showed, also denim, anything like that. I thought it would be really cute. I tried another pair of shorts. These were honestly a fail for me. I got these also. These are the Boyfriend Bermuda. They just, like, I feel like I can't. So this is the thing, I don't mind if shorts hit me a little like mid-rise or whatever, but I do not like when they like hang in the crotch. And these, I feel like if I wore them on my hips, they hung in the crotch and were tight around my hips. But if I wore them up on my waist, they were just, I was swimming in them. So these are going back, but they're cute. Honestly, I like them, and I liked this little slit here on the side. They were just, I was literally swimming in them. But this shirt, I own this shirt in now I think 3 different colors. I got the red and white striped one like last year, I want to say, and then I picked up this green and white striped I have yet to take the tag off. This I get in a small because their button ups are pretty oversized to begin with. Just a note on these button ups is they don't have like the top 2 buttons. So they kind of hit at a V, which I feel like a lot of people like to wear their necks open. So it's not a problem for me. Just so I thought I would let you know. Geez, words. The other thing to note about these is they're not, you see how like this is an Abercrombie one and the color is the same on the inside and the outside? It's kind of not in the Zara. They're like just lighter. So something to note, but I love this. I love this like sagey green. It's one of my favorite neutrals to wear, and yes, definitely keeping that guy. I also got those same shorts in the white in this like kind of acid wash, light wash thing, and I need to pull out my shorts because I almost feel like I have something really similar to this in Abercrombie, but I'll have to check. I did like the way these fit. I don't think they're as long as the white ones. I don't know, I felt like I couldn't roll them as much as I could the white ones, but again, a very comfort fit, and I did get these in a size 6, so I do like these. And I feel like their price on denim shorts is really good. It's 39 bucks, which I think is a really good deal. And yeah, I don't know, I just need to kind of see what I have for my shorts wardrobe before I decide if I'm keeping them or not, because something tells me I have a pair of dad shorts in that sort of color already, but we'll see. The next pair of shorts I picked up, I need your opinion on these. Are they too long? Are they giving like safari mom? I don't know. These are from H&M. These are like a paper bag waist sort of linen short. I think the problem with it are these pockets in the back are giving me like Crocodile Dundee. I don't know. The length is a little bit longer than a typical linen short as well. But I thought these would be a cute throw over a bathing suit, throw over or pair it with like a white denim or white button down or that striped button down, anything. I feel like these are just really versatile, super comfortable. They look like cute shorts, but they feel like pajamas. So let me know what you think about those. Next are these little H&M like zebra style pattern pants. They kind of have like this like, I don't know what to explain, like a crinkle to them. I like them. I don't know if they're long enough on me, to be honest with you, but I thought I would like them as like a cover up for a swimsuit. I don't necessarily know. I guess I could wear it with a black button up, would look really cute, because you can't, I paired it with this white and I hated it because this is cream. I felt like it just didn't look right. So maybe a black button up would look really cute. But I figured with a swimsuit is what I was kind of envisioning. But they're really cute and they're super comfortable. I was just wondering if they're too short, but probably not. So these little crinkly shorts that are zebra, I know pattern pants are super in, so I wanted to pick up a pair of those. And then again, just a crispy, nice white button up. Again, this one only has, or doesn't have like the top 2-3 buttons, but I love this. You can't go wrong with button up, and I feel like I have not gotten a new one in a while, so I wanted a new crispy fresh one because my other one had like, deodorant stains, was getting kind of dingy. So I'd had that one for a while. Next thing, I don't need a new swimsuit, I definitely don't, but when I was in store I saw this and I kept thinking about it because this green is everything. I'm obsessed with green. Basic one piece, has this really pretty detailing on it. I think this is really flattering on. I saw it in store and I was like, I don't want to try it on, and then I kept thinking about it and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna order it. So I ordered it and turns out I love it. So yeah, that's a keep. Next thing I've had in my wardrobe for a hot minute, if you guys have watched any of my like Pinterest videos or outfit styling, whatever, you've probably seen this. This is the bubble hem, or my spring fashion trends. That's when I showed this. Bubble hem skirt from Zara. I love this. It has pockets. It's so cool with this bubble hem at the bottom. Bubble hem is very in right now, and I love the style of this skirt. I'm obsessed with it. I think it's really cool. I didn't pair it very well. I would typically wear something tight on top. I just paired it with the shirt that I already had, so bear with me, but that is not how I would wear it, but I still love both the pieces separately, which is this little button down. The one thing I will say, again, this is white inside, which is kind of annoying, not the nicest like detail. This came with a little bralette underneath, which was very cute, but your girl's boobs were bigger than a small. Let's just call it what it is. I couldn't even, no. So that one I donated, but I kept this because I really did love this pattern. I think it's just so different and kind of masculine. It's very like button down that a boy would wear, but I'm obsessed with it. I love the large pocket in the front. I love the blue and white check. So I'm super happy I kept this, but do note that it does come with the bralette in the picture. I did not think it did, but it did. So love this. Very boxy, very oversized, very cute. Would not wear it with that skirt, but it was what I paired together for the video. I wanted to only pair things that I recently purchased, like from the haul in total. Next, I got a couple pair of jeans from H&M and Zara. These are the baggy balloons. Hear me out. Never thought I would be a balloon girl, balloon pant girl. And I don't love these, okay? For a couple reasons. First, I think I need one size smaller. I got these in the 6 as well. I think I need the size down. And I don't like how these have a dirty wash to them. So I want to see what other washes they have. It almost looks like it's like, I don't know, coffee stain. I don't know how to explain it. It's just dirty looking. But I do love the way these fit. I think they're cute. It's a subtle balloon baggy fit. It's not super, like, super bow-legged, but I'm kind of feeling it, and I think they would look really cute. So I'm gonna try these in a different wash and a different size. So I need to size down on those. I don't know what my size in a Zara is, and that's just like the most difficult part about shopping at Zara. If you've been watching any of my videos, you know, I don't even know if I mentioned this in the favorites, but this is a favorite and I'm obsessed with it. It's the perfect like butter yellow sweater from H&M. Obsessed. I've already washed and worn this a million times and it's my favorite. So you can wear it on, obviously, over the shoulders, all the things. It's perfection. Perfectly like oversized, but I actually got a large. So do get it bigger if you want more of an oversized fit. I will leave the sizes that I got for each item down below, as well as like my kind of like general measurements. These pants I love. I actually think I found the perfect like baggy, loose, wide leg jean. Let me know though in the comments down below. These are the, what are these? The baggy, loose fit, high waist pant. And these I believe are a Curve Love or something like that. Curvy fit jeans from H&M. I think these are so cute. I think these are cute with like a ballet flat. They're cute with a sandal, a sneaker. I don't know. I kind of really love them. I wish the balloon pants were like in a color like this, the balloon jeans. But I think I'm keeping these because I just don't have enough wide leg jeans and I really liked these. So what I look for when I'm looking at denim in general from really any place is no stretch. So I'm looking for 100% cotton denim, and I want to say these had maybe like 1% polyester or something like that. But besides that, it was like 100% cotton, which is what I like for my jeans. I feel like they look nicer, they're more expensive looking, and they just wear and wash and everything perfectly. Okay, we're gonna go through the mother load of button-ups because you guys know. This white short sleeve one, I've been wanting a white short sleeve button-up forever and I can't believe I didn't have one. I think it's so cute. This one's really boxy and I love it. I like the little cuffed sleeves as well. I've worn this a million times already. The next one I have worn a couple times as well, and I realized that I never took the tag off of it, so I do that quite often. Please tell me I'm not alone in this. I have not washed this yet though because it's so big and baggy that I felt like I just wore it for a little while so it didn't like get dirty. Anyway, I do this frequently where I will find items that I've had for a while that I don't need to wash right away and still have the tag on it. This one's very oversized. I got this in a small. I would say you could size down with this because it's big. I love this. It's like a yellow with a white and like kind of like a dark gray stripe. This is so pretty. The stripe can look whatever color you want based off of how you pair it with it. Like if you put it next to a blue thing, I feel like it can look like the stripe is blue, but I mean butter yellow is huge this spring and summer. And I love that button up. The next button up was a button up that really surprised me, but I fell in love with it. Again, I mean, I feel like I talk a lot and have a lot of button ups, but I don't. I do. I just love a button. I cannot, you will never pry them out of my hands. I'm sorry. This one's really cool though. It's kind of like color blocked where it has like different, like a stripe on this side with the white pocket. This weirded me out with the sleeves. They're already pre-cinched. So keep that in mind. They already, like they're meant to be up on your arm, which I like that look, but it's not a full sleeved button down. But I think this is so cute and super relaxed with a pair of white jeans or denim shorts. So cute. It's got like a white backing with like different kinds of stripes on it. I love this so much. Zara's become my new favorite place to find button-ups. Next, I love these jeans. I need to get them in a smaller size as well. I got these in an 8. I think these would be perfect in a 6 for me. These are the high-rise wide leg in medium blue. I love the color of these. I love how these fit. These would look beautiful with heels, but they're also long enough to do this weird little cuff thing that everyone's obsessed with right now. So I'm gonna just exchange these for a size 6, but new favorite jean. Obsessed. Love. Okay. Next, I have this little tunic. I love tunics because I haven't had them in a while, but tunics are great to just throw on over a bathing suit. They're great to throw on like by themselves. And I love a black linen piece. This one's inside out. So I got this one from H&M. It's just a short sleeved little collared tunic top. You obviously can wear it with jeans, wear it with shorts, wear it with anything, but you can wear it by itself because it's long enough as a dress. So cute. All right, oh, I don't know if I showed these. Let's move on to, oh wait, first I got pajamas from H&M. I know, weird, but I love matching pajama sets. It's literally all I wear. And when I saw these and the price, I was like, heck yeah, that's really good. And I wanted more short t-shirt ones because I have like 3 pairs of pants ones and only 2 pairs of shorts one. So this is kind of like a sagey green. I love it. I love the little piping detail. So I got this in a medium because I don't like my pajamas to be tight. And I have a pair similar to this from like Amazon or something, and the legs are too tight, so I wanted to get a medium in this. The only complaint is there's no pockets. And I know, what do you need pockets to go to sleep in? I don't know, from like walking downstairs to bringing it upstairs and having your phone in your pocket. Extra, yeah, I know. Next thing is my newest obsession. Did I actually put, yeah. My little fish earrings. You guys, I'm obsessed with these. Scott thinks they look like cookies, and you're right, they look like cookies, but they're the cutest things in the entire world. I got this really basic white dress. It should be coming very soon. I got it from Mexico. I thought these with a white dress, so cute. And these are like a statement. These are not my everyday earrings, but I think they're literally the coolest accessory, and they're just so different and fun, and I'm obsessed. So, little fish, gonna be eating my ears, you know? Next is this bag, this little bucket bag. I have been eyeing the Cezanne bucket bag that's like, I think it's like $200 or $300. I've been eyeing it for a hot minute now, and I really want it. I want the one that's kind of embroidered with flowers on it, but I don't know. I haven't pulled the trigger on it yet. But this I thought was really cute. It's from H&M, and it doesn't really look like it's from H&M. It looks nicer than it is. I don't know what this little logo thing is. It has like a bag inside of it, but it is attached, and it cinches, and you can adjust the length of this. So I love this little bag, and yeah, so cute. Next, let's end actually with shoes. If you've been watching any of my videos recently, you've seen these a million times. I love these. These are from Zara. They fit pretty true to size. I got a 37, and yeah, super cute. Like an elevated Birkenstock, if you will. I did just get a new pair of Birkenstocks because mine were so bad. I've had them for 7 years, but these are more of like an elevated, I feel like you can wear them with a cute dress for a more elevated Birkenstock look. Whenever you want to wear Birkenstocks, but you want to be elevated, these are it. These I wanted to love so badly because they're so fun. Like, I don't know, I love these. Like this toe strappy detail thing. My feet are just too narrow for these. Like they swallow my foot, and they're honestly so freaking heavy. But they're so cute. So if you have a wider foot, maybe like a little chunker foot, you know, I wish I did because these are so cute, but they just look like they're swallowing my foot, but they're adorable. I love the details on them. So these are unfortunately going back. But you guys, that's it. I know, that was a lot. This is collective. I'm talking months I've placed these orders. H&M, most of the stuff from H&M is new, but the Zara stuff I've had for a while, and you've seen them in videos, but I still wanted it all in one place and to share with you some of the new things that I picked up recently. So that's it. That's my little collective haul. I feel like this brings me back to like old school when we'd like, influencers would just go to the mall and like collectively just go on like a shopping spree. Oh, Lord help me. And we'd just like show everything that we got. And there was always like Lush, Bath and Body Works, Forever 21, like always, like, you know what I mean? So it's kind of like that. I purchased some of the stuff in store, and I purchased some of the stuff online, but I will have all the details and the links and my sizing and all that down in the description box down below. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are picking up pieces that kind of accentuate, or not accentuate, complement your current wardrobe. Don't feel like you need to go out and get everything new. Just pick pieces that complement within your own wardrobe and kind of work in seamlessly. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video very soon.